The story of Bengaluru started with this idea of building a grand city with markets to attract traders from across the region and from across the seas. Thus was born the markets known locally as the Pete. The Unventured Walk takes a journey into these markets with stories and insights into Bengaluru's origin and the local way of life.
My name's Nadia. I'm from Canada. We had the opportunity to witness a ritual in the temple of Lakshmi.
My name is Uta. I'm from Germany, Munich, Germany. This is my first time to India, and I've had the pleasure to come on this tour. Possibly the best tour I've ever taken anywhere, and I've traveled to quite a few places.
Here we are in the middle of the flower market, something that I'd only read about in the past, but the sensory experience is absolutely amazing.
Hello, I'm Katerina. I came from France. We saw many inside places that we don't see usually. As a normal tourist. Our guide was very passionate and showed us all the little corners and told us so much about the history. It was very, very authentic and very nice.
The stories he tells us and explains to us things that only were concepts before. This tour this morning has totally exceeded my expectations.
Our guide had so much passion for this country and so much knowledge. We felt like we had all the time in the world with him, walking through the markets and walking through the summer palace. This was a very great experience.